planning a birthday party.
Hi, Daniel. Guess what?
What's up, Emma?
It's Lisa's birthday this Saturday.
Oh, really? I almost forgot.
Haha. Yes, we should plan a small party for her.
Great idea. Where should we have it?
Maybe at my house. It's big enough for everyone.
Perfect. How many people are coming?
Around 10, I think. Just close friends.
Nice. What time should the party start?
Around 6 p.m. so we can have dinner together.
Sounds good. What should we eat?
I was thinking pizza and cake.
Classic. Everyone loves pizza.
True. Do you want to help me order it?
Sure. I know a good pizza place.
Great. And I'll bake the cake myself.
Wow, really? You bake so well.
Thanks. I hope Lisa likes chocolate cake.
Who doesn't? Chocolate cake is the best.
Haha, I agree. What about decorations?
I can buy balloons and a big happy birthday banner.
Perfect. And I'll bring some lights and flowers.
Good plan. Should we bring music too?
Yes. Do you have a speaker?
Yep, I'll bring it. We can make a playlist.
Awesome. Lisa will love it.
Should we get her a gift?
Of course. What should we buy?
Maybe a book or a nice scarf.
She likes reading. Let's get her a book.
Okay, I'll go to the bookstore tomorrow.
Thanks, Daniel. You're so helpful.
No problem. I love planning parties.
Me too. It's always fun.
So, Saturday at your house, 6 p.m.?
Yes. Don't be late this time.
Ha ha, I'll try.
Great. I'll send you the shopping list later.
Okay, I'll check it.
It's going to be a great surprise.
Definitely. Lisa will be so happy.
All right. See you on Saturday.
See you then, Emma. Bye.
Bye, Daniel.
Talking about schoolwork.
Hi, Adam. How was school today?
Hey, Lily. It was okay. Just a little boring.
Oh, really? Which class did you have?
We had English and math in the morning.
English was fun, right?
Yes, I liked the part about describing people.
Me too. Did you finish the homework for it?
Not yet. I forgot to do it last night.
Oh no. You have to hand it in tomorrow.
I know. I'll do it tonight. I promise.
Good. It's not very hard.
What did you write about?
I wrote about my best friend.
Nice. Maybe I'll write about my dog.
That's a great idea, Adam.
Yeah, he's cute and funny. Easy to describe.
Perfect. Do you want me to help you later?
Really? That would be great, thanks.
Sure. I can show you some new adjectives.
Like what?
Like friendly, playful, and smart.
Oh, those are good words.
Yes, and don't forget to write full sentences.
Got it. You're such a good student, Lily.
Haha, I just like learning English.
Me too, but sometimes I'm lazy.
Everyone feels that way sometimes.
True. How about the math homework?
I finished it. Wasn't it about fractions?
Yes, and I didn't understand question 5.
Let's check it together after class.
That would help a lot, thank you.
No problem. We can study at the library.
Sounds good. What time?
Around 4 o'clock?
Okay, I'll see you there.
Don't forget your notebook this time.
Haha, I won't.
Promise?
Promise.
Great. Then we'll finish early and relax.
Perfect plan.
All right. See you later, Adam.
See you, Lily. Bye.
Bye.
Meeting a new neighbor.
Hello. You must be the new neighbor.
Hi, yes, I just moved in yesterday.
Welcome to the neighborhood. I'm Ella.
Nice to meet you, Ella. I'm James.
Nice to meet you too, James. How do you like your new place?
It's really nice, but I'm still unpacking.
Oh, moving can be so tiring.
Yes, I have boxes everywhere.
Haha, I know the feeling. Where did you move from?
I came from the city center.
Oh, that's not too far.
No, just about 20 minutes by car.
That's great. What made you move here?
I wanted a quieter place. The city was too noisy.
You'll love it here then. It's very peaceful.
Yes, I can already tell.
Do you live alone?
Yes, but my sister visits sometimes.
That's nice. I live next door with my cat.
Oh, really? What's your cat's name?
Her name is Coco. She's very friendly.
I like cats. Maybe I'll meet Coco one day.
Sure, she often sits in the garden.
Speaking of the garden, yours looks beautiful.
Thank you. I love gardening on weekends.
That's a great hobby. I want to start too.
You should. If you need help, just ask.
Thanks, Ella. That's very kind of you.
No problem. By the way, there's a small shop nearby.
Oh, good. I need to buy some groceries later.
It's just down the street, next to the cafe.
Perfect. Thanks for the tip.
You're welcome. And every Sunday, there's a local market, too.
Really? That sounds fun.
Yes, you can buy fresh fruit and vegetables.
I'll check it out this weekend.
Great. It's a nice way to meet people here.
I'll do that. Thanks again, Ella.
You're very welcome, James. Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you. See you soon.
See you.
Talking about hobbies.
Hi, Grace. How are you today?
Hi, Noah. I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine too. What are you doing this weekend?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe I'll do something fun.
Like what?
Maybe I'll go cycling or paint at home.
Oh, you paint? That's cool.
Yes, I started a few months ago.
What do you like to paint?
Mostly nature. Trees, flowers, the sky.
That sounds beautiful. Do you paint every week?
Not always. Only when I have free time.
I understand. I like photography in my free time.
Really? That's interesting.
Yes, I take pictures of people and places.
Nice. Do you use a big camera?
Sometimes, but lately I use my phone.
Phone cameras are really good now.
Yes, and they're easy to carry anywhere.
True. Where do you take photos?
Mostly at the park or by the river.
Oh, I love that park. It's peaceful there.
Yes, maybe we can go together one day.
That would be nice. I could bring my paints too.
Great idea. You paint, I take pictures.
Perfect. Then we can show our work later.
Haha, like a small art show.
Exactly. Do you do anything else on weekends?
Sometimes I play guitar.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes, but just for fun. I'm not very good.
Still, music is a great hobby.
Thanks. What about you? Any other hobbies?
I like reading in cafes.
That sounds relaxing. What kind of books?
Usually novels or short stories.
Do you read in English sometimes?
Yes, it helps me practice.
Smart idea. I should try that too.
Let's start a small reading club then.
Sure. You, me, and our hobbies.
Deal. We'll make weekends more fun.
Definitely. See you this weekend, Grace.
See you, Noah. Bye.
Bye.
Shopping for clothes.
Hi, Kevin. What are you doing today?
Hey, Amy. I'm going shopping for some new clothes.
Oh, that's nice. Do you want some company?
Sure, please come. I really need help choosing.
Okay. Where are we going?
Maybe the mall. There are many shops there.
Good idea. What do you want to buy?
A new shirt and maybe some jeans.
Do you need them for work or casual wear?
Mostly for everyday use.
All right. Let's start with shirts. What color do you like?
Maybe blue or white.
Those are good choices. Blue looks good on you.
Thanks, Amy. You have good taste.
I know. Try this one.
Okay, I'll go to the fitting room. What do you think?
Wow, that looks really nice. It fits you well.
Really? I like it too.
You should buy it. Do you want to try another color?
Maybe black. It's simple.
Good idea. Black goes with everything.
True. Okay, I'll take both.
Great. Now let's look for jeans.
Sure. Do you think dark jeans are better?
Yes, they look more stylish.
All right, I'll try these ones.
Go ahead. I'll wait here.
What do you think?
They're a bit too long. Try a smaller size.
Okay, I'll change.
That's better. Now they fit perfectly.
Awesome. Thanks for helping me.
No problem, Kevin. Shopping is fun for me.
Not for me, but I'm glad you came.
Anytime. Are you buying anything else?
Maybe a new pair of sneakers.
Oh, yes. We should check the shoe store.
All right, let's go.
After shopping, do you want to get some coffee?
That sounds great. My treat.
Perfect. Let's go after we finish here.
Deal. Thanks again, Amy.
You're welcome, Kevin.